Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to color correct a photo that just looks horrible in Lightroom. So I'm gonna show you this photo at the beginning. I had a photo of the table, and so I was like, okay, similar lighting. I'm gonna copy my settings, go back, paste. Obviously it looks horrible. The lighting had changed and there's people in it. I'm going to go ahead and crop and straighten. That looks about centered, not quite. And I want them right in the middle there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now what I'm gonna do before and after, I'm doing Command Shift R and then Command Z to see the before and after. You can also press the backward slash, but it's toggling between my edit and my base preset right now, and I want to see the raw photo. So what I'm doing that for is to see the original tint. The original tint was at 2, so I'm going to usually put it at that and then see what happens. I obviously need to drag the temperature way down. I do like a warm edit, but not to the point where they look like bright orange, obviously. We're going to bring the contrast down. This is a very contrasted dark lighting photo, so we need to bring the contrast down a lot. The highlights down a little bit, the whites up, the shadows up, the blacks up, dehaze down. So that's everything that will make your photo less contrasted. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm also gonna reduce the clarity a little bit more to give it that glowy, lighter look. Again, shadows up, blacks are gonna need to come up the most, contrast go down. There we go. Highlights go down. And then I am gonna bring the whites up a little bit. Okay, that's our before and after right now. Obviously I do need to denoise that will come last. Then I'm gonna go sharpen it a little bit. It's already sharpened quite a lot, and then I'm gonna make sure all my grain is off, and then now we need to fix the colors. We're gonna go to the color mixer, and the biggest color in this photo is orange. We can tell because if we desaturate it all the way, we're left with basically no color. Our orange is just way too much. We need to bring down the saturation without bringing down the saturation of the other colors. And I'm gonna go kind of slide it back and forth. You can see that you can make it more pink or more yellow. When I go back, I actually see that it's looking a little pink and red in their faces. So I'm gonna bring it a little bit more yellow. And see, now they're looking a little more yellow than orange, which is what we want. And then if we go to the red saturation and bring it all the way down, it desaturates their faces a lot. So we're gonna do that just a little bit because you can see there's a lot of that bright red, bright orange in their faces. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the original and before and after. This is looking pretty dang good. We're gonna bring up the contrast a little bit because it looks a little bit too not contrasted. I can't speak. Bring down the highlights and whites a little bit. I thought I could get away with bringing up the whites to bring a little more depth into it, but that's okay. Bring down the desaturation, or dehaze, not desaturation. All right, I think that is gonna be our final photo. Let's crop in just a little closer. And then, should I add more warmth back in? No, too much. All right, that is gonna be the best we can do with this photo. We might bring down the brightness just a tad, but this is gonna be the best that it's gonna look. Again, before, after, obviously I need to dehaze it still. But yeah, that's the final photo. I hope this helped you guys know how to fix a super saturated and contrasted photo, and follow for more tips and tricks. Bye.